Today was a bad day for a couple of Donald Trump lawyers. Remember John Eastman? John Eastman was the guy they suggest was the architect for overturning the 2020 election and overthrowing the government, the guy behind all the fake electors and all that bullshit. Yeah, he's a conspiracy theorist. He's a crazy motherfucker. He had the meetings at the Mayflower Hotel. He's that guy. Well, he was in court today, and guess what? The judge recommended that he be disbarred, that he should never be able to practice law again. The final decision hasn't been made, but when the judge says that's what he wants, that's likely what's going to happen. Now, there's another attorney that worked with Donald Trump. His name is Jeffrey Clark. You might remember Jeffrey Clark. He was the guy in the DOJ. He was an assistant attorney general dealing with, I don't know what. He was a small-time guy. But when Donald Trump was trying to figure out a way to stay in office, even though he gotten his ass kicked by Joe Biden, he was the one guy that had a brilliant idea. Donald Trump loved the idea so much that he was going to make him attorney general. Up until the time everybody said, you do that, motherfucker, we're all quitting. So he backed off of it. But Jeffrey Clark didn't have a good day today either. He's in court being considered for being disbarred too. We don't have the final decision on that, but it's coming and it's likely to cost him his law license. Now, this is all well and good, and I'm happy to see the comeuppance here to these two lawyers. But there should be more to it. I expect there will be more to it because both these clowns were part and parcel to this insurrection, to this attempt to overthrow the government. So, yeah, you can lose your law license. That's the very least that should happen. But I won't be happy until I see criminal charges for these fucks. They certainly did some criminal behavior. They were part of this whole thing, and it wouldn't have gotten as far as it had it not been for these two fucks. So all we can hope for is that the superseding indictments that Jack Smith ultimately comes out with will include those motherfuckers. But at least they're not going to be practicing law anymore.